Carter for NBC4.
It was announced today that State Attorney General Mike DeWine has agreed to co-chair the Campaign for Issue 1, also known as Marsy's Law.
Our Ohio State House newsroom reporter Jason Aubrey was there, and he has this follow-up.
In November, voters will decide if Marsy's Law should replace the current victims' rights in Ohio's Constitution. Being a victim of a crime can make someone feel powerless, and the rights they have are important, which was the selling point of the Victims' Rights Constitutional Amendment passed in 1994. Now, victims' rights advocates want to replace those rights with Marsy's Law.
When you tell a judge, when you tell a prosecutor, when you tell everybody involved in the criminal justice system, these are basic rights that are part of the Constitution, people will take it very, very seriously.
Apparently not. Almost all of the rights Marsy's Law wants to add to the state constitution already exist under Amendment 2.
Many counties do all these things. Some counties don't.
So if the problem isn't the lack of rights, but the enforcement of them, what does Marsy's Law do in that regard?
It gives teeth to these basic rights.
Marsy's Law does give victims the right to take their grievances to a higher court, something they cannot do now under Amendment 2. And that's where the extent of the teeth of Marsy's Law ends. The party who violates the rights suffer no significant punishment for neglecting victims beyond a scolding from a higher court. DeWine says as an honorary co-chair, he will not be directly involved in running the campaign or its strategy. But he is happy to put his name to it and support it publicly. At the State House, Jason Aubrey, NBC4.